sunshine, guess what? We have so many boxes to unbox. A song written by me. No, seriously, we have Glossybox and Sephora and Birchbox and Ipsy and Tribe. And guess what? I'm gonna try and get it all done today because I have time to actually film, and that in itself is a miracle. So the first thing we're gonna be starting out with this week is Glossybox. Okay, so as you can tell, you would assume that I've consumed copious amounts of caffeine, but guess what? You're wrong, because I don't know. I've just been in a good mood recently. Shocking. So, Glossybox. Glossybox. Okay, so Glossybox is, I'm so confused about the way Glossybox works. Glossybox is $21 a month, just like Boxycharm is, but Glossybox, you get like 4 to 5 samples / full-size products in each box. You will sometimes get full-size products, and then sometimes you will also get sample-size products. So yeah, so that's the way Glossybox works. From my understanding of it, I love the packaging for this month. So basically it comes in a different box. It's like a pink box. You rip open and it says Glossybox, and then this is the actual box that contains everything you receive. But this is the box for December, and I am so glad somebody went all out with their packaging for December. Like, thank you, Glossybox. Okay, wait till I open up the lid. What? Yo, that's so crazy. Okay. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I might actually like keep this box out to like display to the entire world, just so I can let them know how much I love this holographic packaging. Also, another thing I love about Glossybox is they always color coordinate like everything. Like their boxes are so well put together when it comes to the packaging. They tie it up in a ribbon. The tissue paper matches the ribbon. They got a coordinating sticker. It's like crazy. And then the snakes on the inside match the rest of the box, and you're just like, holy cow. It feels like Glossybox honestly feels more like a gift than it does a subscription. So that's what I like about Glossybox in comparison to all of the trillions and quadrillions of subscription boxes I've ever tried before. So I can't wait to show you guys what's in this box, because this box is one of the best boxes I have ever received from Glossybox. So I'm going to start out with a boring product first, and then we get into everything else exciting. So the first thing that I have is from Jafra Royal, and it's a lip liner in shade Victoria. So I feel like this product does not fit in this box whatsoever. It's just kind of like they threw it in there. We're like, I guess we'll include this. It's a red lip liner. It's nothing too exciting. Like it's kind of creamy, but it literally, like, look at that. It's like it transfers so easy. It moves so easy. It's patchy. I don't understand why this pencil is in here whatsoever, because it just kind of brings down the rest of the box. So I'm going to stop complaining about this pencil, and I'm going to show you guys the rest of this box because it's amazing. Okay. And y'all know that I'm going to wait to show you this beautiful package last. Okay. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Krylon for Glossybox. Oh my god, Krylon, like they use on that Face Off. Shocking. Okay, highlighter in cashmere. So it comes in a little square container, which I don't have any other highlighters, but this is a cream highlighter, which is not a product that I have ever received or ever played with before. So it's a cream highlighter. That's what it looks like. And then I'm going to swatch it real quick, and I have to admit, it's very silky and fun to play with. And I think that this highlighter would honestly be best, for me personally, used underneath of my foundation, or I could use it underneath of like a powder highlighter and just set the cream highlighter with the powder highlighter. I like how it's a very gentle glow. Like it's like that fresh, I'm a goddess, I'm an angel kind of glow, whereas I want to have like an alien glow to it. But with that said, I'm really excited to receive a highlighter in any of my subscription boxes, because like everybody loves highlighter, right? Everybody loves highlighter, but no subscription ever sends it out. So thank you, Glossybox, for sending it out. And this is a pretty color. I really like the color, and there are totally different ways I can make this work. I put it on my lids. Like I could put this anywhere and it would give me that gorgeous, like kind of sun-kissed glow. The next thing that I got is a freaking translucent powder. It's it's from Luna by Luna, and it's a translucent powder, and I never, ever get those in any of my subscription boxes. Like, okay, wait, I got one from Tarte in my Ipsy box, like a millennium ago. But But this is like, I don't know if this is a full-size product. I honestly cannot tell you off the top of my head. But even if it's not, this is still a really nice sample size. Not to mention, it comes with a finger powder, so you can just sit there and just blot away all your problems. Like, yes, oh my goodness, I'm so excited to get the blotter in here. But I'm also really excited to receive a translucent powder. And Luna by Luna is a company that I've seen in Ipsy. Like, I've gotten a couple of their products in my Ipsy bag, and I've never seen it in any other subscription. So it's nice to see that a company that I know from Ipsy and enjoy from that subscription move over and send me, if not a full-size product, a decently sized sample size of translucent powder, which is a product, again, nobody ever sends out. I'm so happy that I got it. The next thing that I'm pulling out, at first I was like, oh my gosh, I don't feel like I deserve to hold this because the packaging is so bougie. Like, next to this, I feel broke, like sitting next to this. It's just so classy feeling. So it's copper and crane, and then the little crane is in like a rose gold metallic foil. It's a radiance mask. Okay, you're like, okay, like another mask. Oh my gosh, you've gotten so many this month. I know, I really have. And then holding this, I was like, oh my gosh, the packaging for that is so cute. Like, the little knob is kind of like it's like a crystal knob. It's so freaking cute. And then, hold up fam, hold up, there's more. Okay, this mask is literally the prettiest mask I have ever seen in my entire life. I have never seen a mask that is metallic amber. Have you? I have not. Have you? Please let me know, because I want to buy them all. They're so pretty. So the scent is not my favorite. It reminds me of black pepper, which is not something that I definitely want to smell all the time, but I will totally put up with it because of the amber. It's so freaking pretty. And last but not least, guess what I got? Oh my goodness. I got this Becca lip gloss. Becca is another brand that I never ever see ever, and I'm so happy. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm getting to show you guys. I'm so excited about this lip gloss. Literally so hyped. But I will give you a second to enjoy the holographic packaging. Like, I might even just keep this box because it's so pretty. But the lip gloss, girl, oh my gosh. I can put the lip gloss on because I'm only wearing a matte liquid lipstick. So hold on, let me put the box down. Okay, so let's get all up close and personal. This is Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss in shade Citrine and Apricot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shut up and I'm gonna put it on. Look at my freaking lips. Look how gorgeous they are. Okay, first of all, this is a lip gloss. I love lip gloss. I love sparkly lip gloss. And this is a sparkly lip gloss. Like, it's so pretty, but it's not sticky. Like, it's not sticky. It's very thick feeling, but it doesn't feel like it doesn't feel like too thick to the point where it's uncomfortable. It's not, the glitter isn't showing up like amazingly on my lips, but if I can try and get this like up close and personal to you guys might be able to see the glitter. It's not the most reflective lip gloss that I've ever seen. However, as a lip topper, especially, like, look how pretty this is now. Like, I'm so obsessed with how absolutely gorgeous this lip gloss is. And it's full size. Like, oh my gosh, I got a full-size lip gloss. I got a full-size lip gloss from Becca in my Glossybox. And Glossybox honestly has not been hitting home with me for like the last box. The last two boxes haven't been honestly so amazing. But this box, the only thing that I'm disappointed in is the lip liner. Everything else literally won me over, but this lip gloss is definitely the best product in this box, in my opinion. So that is everything that I got in my December Glossy box. Honestly, what did you guys think of this box? Like, the lip topper has me so incredibly hyped, but so does this radiance mask. Like, gorgeous. But honestly, like, I'm happy with the highlighter. Like, I'm happy with the majority of this box except for the lip liner. What was your favorite product in my December Glossy box? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.